So I'm just going to quickly go through my FM synthesizer program. I've got my MIDI keyboard plugged in, so that's what I'm going to be playing when you hear a noise out here. Okay, so this is the keyboard interface. That works, as you can see. Down here I've got the adjustable parameters that shape the noise, and I've also got sawtooth wave that you can add to the carrier signal and a square wave that you can add, or you can add both if you want, but we'll go into that later. Okay, so the first little parameter here is the FM frequency modulator parameter. That's altering the carrier wave. So here on the left is the frequency, not hertz, that should be, oh no, that is hertz, sorry. That's the frequency of the modulating signal, and to the right it says ratio, and that is the amplitude of the modulating signal. So that is that. Let's play with these a bit. I like them nice and low because I think the higher you go, the more it makes a unpleasant sound. But that's sort of the essence of FM modulation. I've also got some presets up here which I've programmed in, and you can choose from them if you want, but I like to shape sound myself personally. I don't really like to use presets on a synthesizer. This thing that says trem is, it's not really tremolo, it's really amplitude modulation set really low. So there's another modulating frequency there, but we will just perceive it as tremolo. So that's the first modulator, and then the one to the right is modulating the modulator. So if we put both of those up, you can get some cool sounds, but I'll move on from that in a bit. Okay, let's get those down. Then in the middle there's the on button, which is always useful to have, and also a gain slider. To the right there's attack and release, so this is just controlling the parameters of the A and the R stages of ADSR. So if we give that a slow release and a quick attack, as if you can see here, like when I stop hitting the note, you can still hear the tail end ring out. And then this thing here is something I sort of designed that I haven't really seen on any other synth, but if you've seen it on another synth, then please let me know. This is a modulation scroll, so it's scrolling through the numbers of the FM modulating wave in real time. So if we turn, one of them's scrolling the wave, the other one is scrolling the ratio or the amplitude. So let's if we turn that one on, you can see there that it's moving. So if we play that is what that sounds like. And if we make that slower, it's sort of like an arpeggiator, but it's not arpeggiating the note, it's arpeggiating the modulating wave. I quite like that, and I've done it for the ratio as well, so let's hear that. Let's turn that down, you can hear it more clearly. So I like using that as like sort of an arpeggiator that's not an arpeggiator. The one thing about this synthesizer as well is that it's polyphonic, where my other one was monophonic, so you can play multiple notes. you can play chords and stuff, so that's really cool. But because it's polyphonic, you can't use the iconic features of monophonic, such as glide, because there's I mean, it can't glide if it knows that it's going to play 2 notes. Yeah, coding the polyphonic was much harder than coding monophonic, but we got it working, and that's really cool. Okay, so that's pretty much everything in my synthesizer. Oh, I'll show you this. Adding a sawtooth wave. It gives it a bit more tone, but because the sawtooth wave is sort of clashing with the modulating wave, sometimes it doesn't sound in tune, but it could be the desired effect. I'm just going to show you some of my presets as well. Some classic FM noises. I like that. That sounds like someone's sort of almost talking in a robot voice. Yeah, so there's a multitude of sounds you can get from FM synthesis, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.